Morning everybody. My name is Devsi. So today we discussed about the transistor. Transistor means it is an electronic device. So it is transferring the resistance. So transferring the resistance means current is transferring from low resistance to the high resistance. That's we can call it as a transistor. So transistor having three terminals. The three terminal is emitter, base and collector. And also a transistor having two junctions. So what are the two junctions? We can discuss here. First, transistor having two types of configuration. So first one is NPN and second one is a PNPN. So NPN transistor in the sense P-type material sandwiched between two N-type material, we can call it as a NPN transistor. PNP transistor in the sense N-type material sandwiched between two P-type material, we can call it as a PNP transistor. So, the NPN transistor, PNP transistor, so it's having the three terminal. The three terminal is, first one is emitter, second one is base and third one is the collector. So now what is meant by emitter means? So emitter is a heavily doped region. Emitter terminal is a heavily doped. That means number of electron is transferring, more number of electrons transferring. For example, you take emitter side, which terminal is having? N is having N-type material. Emitter in the sense N-type material. So in this emitter terminal is a heavily doped. Heavily doped means more number of electron is traveling from N to P side. So that is the job of the emitter terminal. So what is the job of base terminal? So base terminal job is collecting more number of electrons from the emitter terminal. So that is the base job. So what is the collector job? Collector job is more number of electron is collecting from the base terminal is called the collector definition. So that means emitter is having morely doped. That means it transferring the more electrons to the base terminal. So base is lightly doped. So here like base job is collecting more number of electron is collecting from the emitter terminal. So what is the job of collector? Collector is a moderately doped. So what is the job of collector in the sense? It majority number of electron is collecting from the base terminal. So that means doping point of view, emitter is heavily doped. First doping point of view, emitter is heavily doped. Then after moderate doped, what is that? Collector terminal. Then after lightly doped, what is that? Base terminal. So this is doping point of view. Next coming to the width point of view. So width of this collector terminal width is very high. So width of collector terminal is very high. Then like compared to the collector, which one is second one is emitter is second one. That means moderate width. That one is emitter. Next lightly. So light width is what is that? Base terminal. So this is width point of view. Okay, now this is a symbol of the NPN transistor and this is a symbol of the PNP transistor. Now in terminal we can call it as a base, this terminal we can call it as a collector and this we can call it as a emitter. If two material is joined, two material in the sense PN, one is P, another side is N. These two material is joined, so we can call it as one junction. So this one junction, one junction. Same in the sense, another is also PN, another P material, another N material. These two material joining, we can call it as another junction G. So that means NPN transistor having 3 terminal, that is emitter, base, collector, and also it's having the 2 junction, that is junction 1 and junction 2. So this we can call it as a emitter terminal, this one is a base terminal, and this we can call it as a collector terminal. Same as PNP is also. So PNP is also 3 terminal, that is emitter, base, and collector. If 2 material is joined, we can call it as a junction. 2 material, first one P and second one N material. These 2 material joined, we can call it as a one junction. This one is first junction, 1. In the same way, another 2 material is joined. We can call it as another junction. This is we can call it as a junction 2. Same, it is having 3 material, 3 element, that is emitter, base, and third one is the collector. Okay, so now if the junction between base to collector, we can call it as a junction C. If the connection between base to emitter, we can call it as a one junction. That junction we can call it as a J. In the same way, this is also. So this is a symbol of NPN transistor. This is a symbol of the PNP transistor. So this is also same, base terminal, collector terminal, and emitter terminal. If we join these two, base and collector, we can call it as junction JC. If the joining 2 terminal base to emitter, we can call it as a junction P. Transistor having 3 configuration. The 3 configuration is, first one is common base configuration, common emitter configuration, and common collector configuration. So now coming to the common base configuration. So common base configuration in the sense, so generally we have 3 types of material in transistor. So what is the 3 materials of that is emitter, base, and collector. So now common base configuration in the sense, base terminal is common, rest of the 2 terminal we can call it as a common base configuration. Now example you can see, observe this diagram. Now this is NPN1 transistor. So NPN transistor here is input side 2 material is there. Input side 2 elements is there, that is emitter. So this one is emitter, and this we can call it as a base, and this inside we can connected as C, collector terminal. Now here we are applying between, input is applying between the emitter to the base. In the same way, output is taken from the collector to the base. So that means both input side base is terminal, input side base is common, and output side is a base is also common. Thus we can call it as a common base. That means base terminal is common. So both the rest of the 2 elements. So this base terminal we can call it as a earth like. So this is NPN transistor, in symbolic we have to represent like this. Next one is common emitter configuration. So common emitter configuration, emitter terminal is common, rest of the 2 elements. So that means emitter is like a ground potential. Earth we can call it as, generally we can call it as earth type of, it act as. So now you can observe the diagram. So this is NPN transistor. So NPN transistor we have to apply both input side, we are applying voltage and taken from the output from the collector to emitter terminal. So input is taken from the base to emitter terminal, output is taken from the collector to emitter terminal. So here which terminal is common? Emitter terminal is common. Emitter terminal is act as a ground. Emitter terminal is act as a ground, thus we can call it as a common emitter configuration. Next one is common collector configuration. Say common collector configuration means collector terminal is common. So that means collector terminal is act as a ground. So rest of the 2 elements. Now we can observe the diagram. So same NPN transistor, emitter, base, collector 3 terminal. So input side, output side. Input side we have to apply, output side we have taken the input. Okay. So input side, so which terminal is common amma? See, input side we have to apply base and collector. Output is taken from the emitter to collector. That means common terminal is what is that? collector is a common terminal. Collector terminal is act as a ground. So that's why we can call it as a common collector configuration. So this is about the 3 configuration. Thank you.